What's up, y'all? It's Divine, and welcome back to the Building a YouTube Consulting Business from Scratch. I think this is volume 5 or 6. I'm not sure. I would have to check. But in this installment, I just want to give you guys an update on phase 7 hiring, outsourcing, and managing people and systems. So, like I said in like previous videos on the channel, like of the series, I'm showing you guys step by step how I'm building this business. I'm showing you guys all the insights I'm getting, all the steps I'm taking to actually actualize this business. And I'm just showing you guys pretty much as much value as I can when it comes to building an online business. Because what I notice is a lot of YouTubers, they just kind of tell you what to do, but then they'll sell the steps of what to actually do. Does that make sense? They tell you what to do, which is sort of valuable if you're a person that takes action. But for the most part, people really don't take action. So that information is not as valuable. They'll tell you what to do, but then they'll sell the implementation, which is the step by step process of how to do it. In this series, I'm intending to show you guys the step by step process of how you actually build an online business. I'm building a YouTube consulting business. I'm going to hire clients at high ticket, and I'm going to be hiring multiple clients. So it's going to get to a point where I'm getting my clients to build an amazing paid community and also build an amazing cult-like YouTube audience with the strategies that I'm going to be implementing. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing this step by step. So in the last video, I didn't even have much done on phase 7 for the most part. And this phase 7 sort of document has just been like a brainstorm. But as you guys can see, like I've taken the time over the past like week or so just to fill out this document, fill out just different notes on hiring, outsourcing, and managing people. And I've just basically compiled the best of the best from what I've seen and what I've researched on what it actually takes to be able to hire well as a YouTuber, to be able to hire well as a leader of a paid community. We're going to figure out what we're going to be outsourcing for YouTubers. I'm going to figure out what they're going to be outsourcing as a paid community leader, because with my business, it's they both go hand in hand. I'm trying to get my YouTube clients to become paid private community leaders, and the monetization tool that they're going to be using is paid in private communities. So they need to know step by step what to do, because my clients specifically don't have monetization vehicles, or at least if they do, their monetization vehicles are not that good. So I'm teaching them how to do everything step by step. So basically, I've just taken the time to figure out what I need to learn so that I can actually be able to teach it and understand it better, so that I can also create frameworks and how-to protocols, step-by-step how-to protocols of what my client can step-by-step, by literal step, do to in order to get that and achieve result for the end of the program. These frameworks help them get to that and achieve result. And they're going to have me on that step-by-step journey, holding their hand, getting them to that result. So for you, the viewer, who is like, oh man, this guy, he's building an online business step by step. I want to create my own online business. What I'm doing basically here, so this is a phase of the program. I'm at one of the last phases of the program. So the program is about to be completed. What you can do and what I'm doing, what I've done for each phase, what I'm doing basically right now is just research on what I'm trying to sell, getting good and getting more insights and strategy onto what I'm trying to sell, and just getting very competent and knowledgeable so that I can actually get results for my clients. That's the whole point of this. I'm researching all this. I'm learning as much as I can about this specific part of the program, because I'm trying to get as knowledgeable as possible on this part, so that I can actually teach. How would I be able to teach? How would I be able to teach my clients if I wasn't as good? I wasn't as good as knowing the knowledge I'm going to teach them. Does that make sense? So you need to get good. So for you, the viewer, specifically in this part, I'm just gathering information on hiring, outsourcing, and managing people and systems so that I can get amazing at it and be able to teach it and be able to package it in a framework that it will make my clients easy to understand. So soon I'm wrapping this phase up. I guess I'm wrapping up the notes up because I have a lot of information about what I possibly I guess what I'll need to be teaching. I have a lot of notes of what I will be teaching and what I'll be packaging into a final, I guess, final draft document that like will be the thing that I sell to my clients. So also for you, if you are a potential client of mine, I'm showing you the process I'm using. I'm showing you the steps I'm taking to be able to actually have a breakdown of steps that you can use to get the results that you need to get. And not the results that you need to get, the results that you deserve to get. So, what are the next steps? What can somebody who is watching this video and wants to create their own online business take? Like, what are the next steps that they could take? I have previous videos of me doing the same thing for other phases, but for this specific part, I guess I would say that for whatever you want to do, before you can even create a course, before you can even create a program, before you can even start something online, you need to know everything about that thing. You need to know everything about that. You need to know if your client is at one place and you're trying to get them to another place. You need to know all the individual steps that gets them to from this place to that place. You need to get good at that. You need to learn it. You need to understand it so that you can be able to teach it. For example, if you want to create like a coaching program or a course, you need to know each detail of that journey that actually gets them, that client, the result. And you have to also be able to get them the result. It only works if you can get them results. My system will be proven and tested, and it will show that it can actually get results. And that's the only way that I'm going to be able to have a profitable business, because I'm going to actually have to get results. All the steps I'm taking, you can watch previous videos. In each individual phase, I made sure to gather the best of the best knowledge, understand the knowledge, and I'm going to package it so that I can actually be able to teach it to people who don't understand the knowledge. So let me think what else. This is all just one take. Y'all know I'm still a beginner YouTuber, so let's think. Yeah, so this is just pretty much what I've been doing. I've been doing this. So in the next couple months, next 1 to 2 months, things are actually about to like heat up. So I'm going to start pre-selling every day. I'm going to start pre-selling my program. I'm going to start compiling an email list. I'm going to start marketing and reaching out to people, and also use the influx of subscribers and views I'm getting just from organic to actually get this thing on the ground. Like, I'm actually going to get this thing going. I've taken the past, y'all know, if y'all been tuning into the channel, y'all know I've been taking the past 9, 10, almost 11 months to get this knowledge, learn this knowledge, prove that it's been implemented by other people, and then once I actually get this program launched, show that these results, that this program works, that results will be guaranteed and results will happen as long as my clients are able to follow step by step, are able to show the work. Excuse me, and are able to do the work. So I'll have obviously I'm continuing the series. So in future videos of the series, I'm going to be showing more. And honestly, I'm actually about to get to the fun stuff now, stuff that like it will actually be truly valuable. In this video, I'm just showing you that like you have to do lots of research. You have to do lots of research of what you're trying to accomplish for that client, so you can actually be good and be able to teach and get your clients' result. This is just research. In the next upcoming videos, I'm going to be showing you guys all the back end stuff, funnels, systems, automations. I'm going to be showing you guys the softwares that I'm going to be using and how to use the softwares. I'm going to be documenting all of this stuff, and I'm going to be showing you and posting it on YouTube. And then you guys will be able to see just the journey. Like I have multiple volumes, so you guys will be able to see how this has all come together. Thank you guys for watching. Stay subscribed. Stay tuned to the channel. I have some fun stuff coming. I have some great stuff coming. And for future clients of mine. Y'all are seeing what I'm doing. Stay tuned, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.